Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off notifications on Life360. So, in the Life360 application, you can click on the settings icon at the top and you can see there is no option to turn off or on any kind of notifications. You just have the smart notification option under family settings where you can only add a new member. So in order to turn off our notifications, we'll navigate back to our mobile's homepage. Now we'll go to the search bar and search for settings. So basically open the settings of your mobile phone. Now after opening your mobile phone setting, you'll have to scroll down and navigate to the page that says apps. So click on the apps button and it will take you to this page. Now search for Life360 from these apps. So click on Life360 after finding it. Now it will take you to the app info page of Life360. Here you will see under privacy the notifications are allowed. Click on notifications and it will take you to this page. Now in order to turn off the notifications, you'll have to just toggle this switch off. When you toggle the switch off, all notifications from this app will be blocked. You can also choose what kind of notifications you want, or you want them to be silent, or simply you don't want any notifications from Life360. After toggling this switch off that says allow notifications, you'd have successfully turned off notifications on Life360. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.